Hey, how are you guys? Alive? Are you alive? Awesome. So, to truly understand how we arrived where we are today, let's talk about Maiar. The easiest to use crypto wallet, an app that users truly love, the first million users. Today, we are proud to announce that Maiar is expanding and transforming into XPortal. Thank you. There was the slide. Awesome. So, we are looking to go from the first million users, you know, the first million is the hardest, to the first billion users. Yeah. XPortal will be a portal to new worlds, a bridge between worlds, positioned to enable the creation and revolution of the new world at its very epicenter, sitting at the intersection between worlds and spanning across all worlds. It's providing a way of blurring the lines between worlds and offering positive, complementary view of both the physical and the metaverse world. This is what we call XPortal. And I'd like to show you a quick video.
The portal to the multiverse.
Amazing. Yeah. I'm going to do something crazy. I'm going to actually do a live demo. So there's two things. I don't know how reliable the Wi-Fi is. And the second thing is if my wife calls, we have to stop the event for 5 minutes. Because, you know, honey, I'm on stage. Awesome. So, guys. Together with our incredible team in the past year, we have completely reimagined Maiar from being a great crypto wallet to becoming a multiverse super app, now called XPortal. XPortal's vision is absolutely amazing, to be a bridge between worlds, blurring the lines between the physical world and the metaverse. Yes, for the first time ever, this is becoming a reality. So, let's take a closer look at XPortal. Our main objective in building the new app was to maintain the same ease of use and power that Maiar has had until now, but with an improved design, and we believe it looks amazing. So let's open it up. Cool. Yep, there it is. Whew, it works. So, let's first talk about finance. We're on the Home tab, and as you can see, the Home tab is all about your finance, where you're going to be taken in the non-custodial wallet, the wallet you've been used to from using Maiar. It has a beautiful, beautiful new look. Obviously, there's a light theme as well. All my crypto is here. As you can see, I'm very rich. And my NFTs are here as well, split by collections or any way you like. I'm sure you're already used to the wallet, but what we've also done, we've also added a track section where you can essentially track all the portfolios that you hold in other crypto wallets outside of XPortal. For example, I may have some crypto held in another wallet, which I want to track here. And I can just manually add multiple portfolios, create different watch lists, and find any coin in the market I would like to track. Super, super simple. So, the wallet tab is my non-custodial wallet. The track tab is for all the crypto I hold in other wallets or in other exchanges. And swap is exactly what you think it is. You can now swap any token to another, just like you used to do on the Maiar exchange. It was a very requested feature by the community, and it's finally coming to XPortal. So let's quickly do a swap. We'll swap from Eagle to USDC. One Eagle. Are you sure? The other way? All right. Okay, let's do it the other way. All right, okay. Sorry. Okay. Okay, so first I'll choose another one. Okay, so to Eagle, I'll go USDC Eagle. Okay, I have 621. Let's buy some Eagle. All in. 620. 0.3. Okay, I'll leave 0.3. Who knows? Maybe I buy later somewhere. All right. I'll send the transaction. And it's done. And there he is. Yeah. His name is Zio, so XIO, by the way. You'll see him across the app. He's your friendly Metaverse AI genie friend. You'll see him more and more. Should we skip the cards, maybe? No? All right, so probably the most requested feature by the community. Let me put this here, I don't need it. Is the cards. So the first ever, close the transactions. It was real, you saw it was processing. So this is the cards. These are the cards. The first ever Multiverse debit cards in partnership with Mastercard. So together with our colleagues from XMoney, which you've just met, we have worked really, really hard to not only create very cool-looking cards, but make the user experience as simple and seamless as possible. So you'll have a few card options, like the virtual mint card, which looks really nice. Then some physical options as well, like the Echo Night card, which is a carbon-neutral plastic. Looks pretty cool. And the Diamond Touch. Diamond hands, diamond cards. Awesome. So, which is a premium metal card. And as a user experience, it'll be very, very simple. So you will be able to top up your card either from your crypto wallet, from any other debit card or credit card, or by bank transfer, or Apple, Google Pay. So let's put some money on this card. I'll put 20 euros. I only have 15. Yeah, but I put 20 more. So let's put 20 more. Awesome. So I topped up. The money is already on the card and ready to spend. It's just that easy. Looks really, really, really cool. So now, obviously, the cards will have a series of Multiverse X ecosystem benefits and cashback rewards, but we will reveal those details once we are really closer to launch. We're working really, really hard to have the cards ready for Q1 2023. And yeah, this is how they look like. Cool, right? Awesome. Now let's talk about the avatar. In XPortal, your avatar is always with you, completely customizable. As you can see, I've chosen my avatar for some reason to look like Neo from the Matrix. A bit thinner though. Yes, you know, our avatars also have legs, just to make sure that I heard that was a premium feature. So, sorry, didn't want to. So, your avatar also can have some fun too. So it can compete with others, and I'll go to the play section. And let me claim my daily experience points here. And maybe I'll level up. I can see how I stand compared to other players. I'm 6th, okay. Not doing well. I need to work more on this. And much more, your avatar can also talk to friends from real friends from the real life and with friends from the metaverse. So we'll have a chat here. Hey, let's see if... Okay. Who's doing this? What? Okay, this is too much. No, sorry, yeah. Somebody's having fun. All right, okay. Somebody's gonna get a bonus. So yes, sending messages across the multiverse is possible. All right. Did I also mention that your avatar can travel to other metaverses, to different metaverses using the app? I won't show you that right now because I don't want to spoil some things going forward. All right. Let's see what else we have here. We have an insider tab where you can find news from daily news from the crypto space and you know, the market sentiment and articles that you might be interested in. But one of the other most important features I want to talk about is the hub. So the hub is a space for dApps in the ecosystem and metaverses. You'll be able, like never before, use your preferred dApps directly from XPortal. So, for example, if you'd like, we can go to the DEX and farm directly from the app, which was something that as you could see, it's logging in directly without you having to do anything else, directly from the mobile. Reinvest it all, of course. And yeah. Well, it should go. But that was the actual DEX. Cool. And yeah, this is where the metaverses in our ecosystem will be featured as well. The same metaverses that your avatar can travel to. But, sorry, I can't give you any spoilers about what these metaverses are, which means more cool stuff will be announced very, very soon, like in a few minutes. So, we talked about everything finance, crypto, fiat, swap, and Mastercard debit cards. We talked about the avatar, your digital extension that can talk to friends from this world or other worlds, play, teleport to metaverses, all from XPortal. And we talked about the hub, where you can access the dApps in the ecosystem and teleport to metaverses. For the first time ever, with XPortal, we are bridging worlds. We are blurring the lines between our world and the metaverse. This means that for the first time ever, you'll be able to teleport your avatar in a digital world, maybe earn some money there by playing or working in the metaverse, and then use that money to buy some cool shoes in the real world. How cool is that? Awesome. So we are currently heavily testing the XPortal. We're ironing out some of the features, and our plan is to launch the SuperApp at the beginning of 2023. And we can't wait for you to see it and tell us how you feel about it. Thank you so much.